Today, guys, I'm going to be making Lion King chocolate cupcakes. So now I've got the cases for me to put them in, and then the sprinkles, and then the chocolate that I'm going to be baking for the cupcakes, then the ingredients for the top that you stick in. Right now, guys, I'm just going to put the bun cases in for the cupcakes. Right, guys, now I'm just going to put all the ingredients in. And now I'm just going to put in the egg, water, and oil. Now I'm just going to start mixing. Now, guys, I'm just going to put the mixture into the bone cases for a wee top up. Now, guys, I'm just putting them in the oven. Now I'm putting the butter in. And now I'm going to put in the icing bit. Now I'm stirring the mixture for the icing. I'm just taking them out of the oven and they need to take a wee while to cool. Now, guys, I'm just putting the chocolate on the top. So I'm just going to sprinkle the sprinkles on. Now I'm just putting the characters on. what do you think of it? My Lion King buns are finished. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Bye.